At least we know now he never really loved us.
He told me I was the favourite.
You? The favourite?
I'm the eldest son.
Loudest son.
He told me good things come to those who wait.
He told me I deserved to have something I could cherish forever.
Unlike your 3 marriages. Why would he only want the best for you? Firstborn, first served.
After everything he put us through, he leaves it to her?
Well, who do you think he loved the most?
Not you.
Oh, shut it.
Do you think it will outlive her, too?